What if I told you you don't need Photoshop or graphic design experience to create a luxury wedding invitation like this? In the next 5 minutes, I will show you how to design one using AI. Hi everyone, welcome back. If you are new here, I'm Success, and on this channel, I'll show you how to use AI to create professional designs, edit photos, and make money using AI tools. Let's get started. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create this exact design yourself. So we are inside ChatGPT right now, but if you don't want to use ChatGPT, you can be able to use Ideogram, Influx, Midjourney, or GPT Image, or any other AI image generator, depending on what you want or what you are used to. But to me, I love ChatGPT and I like using ChatGPT for my designs. So right now, we are going to go to um, my notepad. Yeah, where I pasted my prompts. So let's go there right away. Okay, this is my wedding card invitation prompt. Okay, so I'll just copy it. I'll just copy it right now. So I'll be able to paste it on ChatGPT. Okay, so let's just go ahead and copy all of these prompts. All right, because I don't want this video to be too long. I don't want this tutorial to be too long because this prompt right now is kind of lengthy. Okay, kind of lengthy. Okay, we are done copying, so we'll go back to our ChatGPT and we'll paste our prompt. Okay, so this is a prompt. This is a prompt. So I'll click on enter and it will. I'll click on enter and we'll wait for a result. Okay, so let me read the prompt. Say, create a premium luxury vertical wedding invitation card, 5.7 inches, portrait orientation, 300 dpi, print ready, ultra HD. The design should look like an expensive designer wedding invitation with elegant editorial aesthetics. Color theme: royal blue, navy blue, white cream, metallic gold foil accents. Then our background is going to be clean white premium paper texture with lots of negative space. On the entire right side, create a luxurious blue agate and marble texture with flowing layers of royal blue, navy blue, light blue, and white, decorated with realistic metallic gold veins and gold foil edges. Separate the marble section from the white area using a thin metallic gold vertical strip. Then at our top section of the card, say top section, place a luxurious ornamental royal blue badge at the top center with a gold outline. Inside the badge, write Sophie 2026 using elegant handwritten luxury calligraphy. Decorate the badge with small gold flourishes, floral decorations. Top left corner, large premium bouquet made of white roses, cream roses, blue hydrangeas, eucalyptus leaves, gold leaves, delicate gold branches. Right center, another luxury floral arrangement overlapping the marble border with the same flowers. Flowers should appear realistic, soft, premium, and dimensional. Invitation text: use elegant serif typography, center everything. Write Mr. and Mrs. Johnson and Mr. and Mrs. Nnamdi Okafor. Then, together with their families, request the honor of your presence at the wedding ceremony of their beloved children. Spacing should be elegant and luxurious. Couple names. Make the couple names the main focus. Use a very expensive luxury script, font similar to Beckham script, Borg script, Adelia, Dream Avenue, Alora, Great Vibes, premium version names. Sophia Johnson, place realistic gold wedding rings between the names. Under the rings, write and use small elegant italic calligraphy with tiny gold ornament. Then David Okafor, the name should occupy nearly half of the invitation. Event details. Create a luxury information section left side Saturday 26th July 26 at 10 a.m. Separate with a thin vertical line. Right side Christ Embassy. Receptions follows immediately at Luxury Complex Suites Hotel. Use elegant serif fonts with balanced spacing. So the colors, here are the colors, the RSVP, then the decorative elements. You had realistic metallic gold wedding rings. I don't want this tutorial to be too lengthy, okay? So let's just cut it. If you want the prompt of this wedding invitation, you can just write in the comment below, and I'll give it to you. All right. So this is our wedding card, okay? It is done. Can you see our wedding card? It is really, really, really like, this is so beautiful. This is beautiful. All right. This is beautiful. Very, very beautiful. So you can see that it's not really that difficult to create a wedding invitation card. Okay. I love this. I really, really, really love this one. So we'll just go ahead and download this particular wedding card. Yes. So let's just wait for it to download, okay? And if you create yours after watching this tutorial, tag me or leave a comment. I'll love to see what you design. Okay, don't forget to tag me or leave a comment, okay? So I will see what you design. Yeah. I love the gold inside the bouquet and everything. Everything just looks so premium and luxury. It's screaming luxury, luxury, luxury. Okay, this video is becoming too lengthy. So I'll also show you how you create the wedding invitation card envelope, okay? Yes. Okay, we are done here. So are you not loving on this wedding invitation card? Okay. You can also search if you don't have any idea on wedding invitation card, you can also search on Pinterest and see trending wedding invitation card. Just look for the one you want, okay? Then download it and bring it back to ChatGPT and let ChatGPT to give you the prompt of that wedding invitation card, okay? And ask ChatGPT to refine yours, to make yours different from that one and make it much more beautiful than that one. That's the easiest way also to make your own wedding card invitation. Okay, it's not that hard. It's not that difficult. Okay, it's simple. At least with this, you can be able to work smarter and not harder. You can be able to with this, you can be able to work for your client, like do about up to like 10 to 20 work in a day. Yeah, without getting tired because you are not the one doing the work. Though there's a little bit of work though, okay, with the prompt and all of that. Okay, for ChatGPT to give you the exact one you are looking for. All right. So I thank you very much for staying with me and watching this amazing tutorial. Thank you so very much. As we all grow together, we shall succeed. We shall succeed in Jesus' name. Until next time again, grow with success.